good job to me kasi sabi ko, 'di ba, at least twice a week magbabaon ako para makatipid. Good job. Kain tayo. Kwento ko lang, kaya nung umaga na-stress ako sa Sky Broadband. Kasi parang twice na this month. Ano pa lang ngayon? January 9. So twice na nag-down internet. So I'm considering mag-switch to Globe. What do you guys think? Globe or Sky? We're done with lunch. So lakad tayo sa mall. Pampababa ng nakain. Tara, lakad. Thank you, kaya. So I think let's go to Muji. Favorite shop. Wala naman akong plan to buy anything sa Muji. Titingin-tingin lang. Titingin-tingin lang. Such a brutal place, no? Muji. Yan na. May work spot natin.